Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing Princess Pig at the toy train station with a cute little train and the biggest smile. This video is all about choo-choos, silly surprises, and imagination fun. Grab your crayons and paper. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go! And if you love drawing and stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Let me tell you the sweet story behind our drawing. Princess Pig and her family take a trip to the toy train station. The trains are tiny and colorful. The tracks twist like spaghetti. And the station master has a big hat and a teeny whistle. Toot toot! Princess Pig sees a pink sparkle train and says, "That one is mine." Her little brother points at every single train. That one, and that one. They get tiny pretend tickets and line up. Daddy Pig salutes like a real conductor. Mummy Pig giggles. Everything feels exciting and magical. Then, uh-oh, the littlest pig finds a big shiny red button. He taps it. Beep! Suddenly, all the toy trains start moving at once. Chug chug, zoom zoom, click clack. Do they panic? Nope. Mummy Pig smiles and turns it into a game. Train treasure hunt. Catch your train before it reaches the tunnel. Everyone tries to grab their special train. Princess Pig reaches. Oops! Daddy Pig stretches. Wobble wobble. Mummy Pig leans. Giggle. And guess who catches his first? The littlest pig. He finds the shiny blue train. Everyone cheers. Train success. Soon all trains stop. Everyone's laughing, and Princess Pig wonders, is the fun over? But guess what happens? Daddy Pig peeks under the track, and a golden train rolls out. Slow, then fast. Zoom! Everyone gasps. Catch it! Princess Pig reaches. Mummy tries. And Daddy Pig does the silliest tumble plop. Will they catch the magic golden train? Or will it race into the tiny tunnel and disappear? If that made you smile, give this video a like. And there's more fun ahead. Mummy Pig brings a secret surprise box. Inside are tiny conductor hats, whistles, and pretend tickets. Princess Pig squeals. Her little brother's eyes sparkle wide. And Daddy puts on a very tiny hat. They set up a mini pig train show. Princess Pig blows her whistle. Tweet! Mummy Pig stamps tickets. And Daddy Pig whispers, should we follow the rules or ride the super silly Giggle Express? What do you think happens? Here's what happened. They start the tiny pig train ride. Princess Pig waves her train flag. Her brother hands out tickets. Mummy Pig cheers happily. And Daddy Pig drives the golden train, making the funniest choo-choo sounds ever. Choo-choo-cha! They spin around the tracks, take turns, and laugh until their cheeks hurt. A button surprise became a silly, magical family moment. So today we're drawing Princess Pig at the toy train station, with her whistle, her happy smile, and her special train by her side.
Let's draw Peppa Pig! Ooh, let's draw Princess Pig! Ooh, let's draw Princess Pig! Let's draw Peppa Pig!
Today we drew Princess Pig's toy train adventure and learned that surprises can turn into the best fun ever when we play together. If you had fun, hit subscribe for more stories and drawings. See you next time, friends! Toot toot! Bye-bye!